The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. I sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a hologram. You shall find all remains to be discovered.
What the flip is Sugru? This is Sugru. Feels like Play-Doh, super easy to use, and overnight it turns into rubber. Sugru is three-dimensional and fills weird gaps. So you can stick anything to anything! Ooh, oh, so it's easy to fix broken plastics like toys and cracks in the fridge. Patch rusting metal in your dishwasher. And replace missing parts. It's not just about fixing. If it's not broken, you can improve it. Make handy hooks with almost anything. Or rubber feet to protect things. Or make things more comfortable. Sugru is super durable, so it's perfect for use indoors and out. These ideas come from people all over the world that are using Sugru to make their stuff last longer and work better for them.
Hello. Let's set up your Luma Surround Wi-Fi system. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with fast, secure Wi-Fi you'll love. To get started, you'll need a smartphone, the network cable and power adapter that come in the box with your Luma, as well as your existing modem. Now download the Luma app from the App Store. Create your account, and then answer a few questions so Luma can start customizing your network. First, tell Luma how many Lumas you'd like to set up. Then tell Luma what kind of home you have, a single family, apartment or condo, or townhouse or other, and how many floors. This will help Luma create the perfect home network. Next, tell Luma where your modem is located. Plug Luma into your modem using the network cable and connect Luma to power. Now, restart your modem. Once you restart your modem, the light ring will spin blue as it's working to create your Wi-Fi network. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. A moment of zen, brought to you by your friends at Luma. The light ring will blink green to let you know your new surround Wi-Fi network has been created. From there, just follow the app as it shows you where to place the other Lumas for optimal performance. Now that they're set up, these powerful little Lumas will immediately start working together to create your outrageously fast, ultra-secure surround Wi-Fi network. That's wall-to-wall fast Wi-Fi. The Luma app makes controlling your network as easy as the internet makes everything else. And with built-in network security, plus a content control right in the app, you'll never have to worry about your network again. This is the future of Wi-Fi you were promised. Enjoy it. Everywhere.
often near other people, yet don't know anything about them, and they don't know anything about you. Imagine if we all knew something meaningful about each other. There are so many possibilities around us all the time. Beam Authentic is the world's first connected wearable smart button. It's your personal broadcasting device, letting you wear what you care about and share it in the real world. Spark a conversation, make new friends, wear it to stimulate your professional life at conferences and trade shows, or start a movement toward a better tomorrow. Download the free app for iOS and Android, scroll the feed to see what your friends are beaming, and send to your Beam device via Bluetooth. Everything is available with a single click. Donate to a cause or generate your own beams from content, slideshows, and animated GIFs with a fast and easy creation tool. Using the panic button, you can instantly beam a message and your GPS map link location to 4 friends. Beam is the perfect gift to yourself and others, from kids to grandparents. Beam is dynamic and grows with you, changing in real time as you change. Beam the authentic you in the real world. Start beaming today.